What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Skye from Paw Patrol. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page at the top of the nose bridge. We start on the left side, draw a curve going up, round at the top, and then bring that down towards the right. Now along the top we're going to add in the nose. From the side, bend this down and in towards the center, go around and then back up towards the right. Now from here we're going to step out and draw in the mouth. Let's start on the left. Curve this down, across, and then up. And then on the end, we're just going to add a small bracket. Now I'm going to add a trim in the center of the face. Let's start on the left side, bend this in, and then up towards the top, bend this down and out towards the right. Now on either side, we're going to draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start on the left, going all the way around towards the top of the eye, come around, and then back in. And we'll draw that same size circle on the right. We'll start on the inside, go all the way around towards the same height, come down the side, and then back in. Now we want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So let's start on the left, draw a small circle, going all the way around, then in towards the bottom. Draw that same size circle on the right. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of the iris for the pupil. And a small circle along the top for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Now I want to give our character some thick lashes along the top of the eye. So let's start on the inside on the left, go up. Just going to bend that out towards the side. And we'll just curl that up. Bend this back in towards the side of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, come down the side, and then curl that up towards the tip. And then just bend that back in. Let's add two smaller points along the bottom. Going out and in. And do that one more time. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the lashes in black. Now we want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. So we curve this down, bend this in underneath the mouth, go across, and then pull that up towards the right. Now going back to the left side, we're just going to curve this up towards the top of the head. We're going to go up, and then bend that in towards the middle. Let's add those clumps of hair along the top, starting from here, going up towards the right, round this out, and then bend that back in. Let's add another one, going out towards the right, round this out, and then pull that back up in the middle. Let's tuck one more underneath. So along the bottom of the curve, come down, around, and then up. Now I want to line up the top of the head over on the right side, continue the curve of the head going out, and then down. Let's add that trim around the mouth. Starting from the left side of the muzzle, I'm going to curve around the mouth, come down and then in toward the chin, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add that trim around the eyes. Starting from the inside, I'm going to bend this up, almost like drawing a large oval, round this out and come down toward the side of the head. And then we'll move down and draw the bottom of the trim. Come down, just bend that up towards the eye. Along the top, we're going to add two small curves to the eyebrows, pulling this up and in. Now I'm going to place the goggles on top of the head. Let's start from this point. Just going to bend this around, go all the way out towards the left, and then down on top of the head. Let's go to the right side, in behind the hair, go around, come down, and then in. Now we're going to add another curve on the top, just bending that down. And then we want to add those straps coming down the side of the head. Let's start from the bottom of the goggles, follow the curve of the head coming around, come down. Now we're just going to bend that out along the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short angle line coming down and in. And we'll follow that same curve coming back up and in underneath the head. Now along the side, we're just going to draw the bottom of the ears. Let's start down here, curl this down, around, and then bend that back in. Let's line this up on the right, coming down, around out the ear, and then bending that in. Let's add that second curl in behind. Starting from the side, bend it around, and then pull that in. Now from here, I just want to bend this up, and then in towards the side of the goggles. Now, we're going to move down and draw the bottom of the neck. Let's start on the left side, add a curve, coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, add another curve, coming around the bottom of the collar, around, and then in. Let's draw two lines coming down the center. And then we'll add the tag in the center of the body. Starting over on the left, bend this up towards the collar, and then down. Let's round up the sides, coming down and out. And I pull this down and in towards the center point. And then we want to trace that tag along the inside, starting along the top, and then working our way down. Now on the side of that tag, we're going to draw the inside edge of the legs. Let's start on the left. Bend this in, and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting with the left side, coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top, and go up, round this out, and then bend that down. And then we'll separate the toes with two curves. Starting from the outside, bend this up and in, step in, draw that again. From the outside of the collar, let's bend the legs coming down towards the feet. Let's start on the left, bend this out, and then down. And then from the top, we're just going to curl this around and then down towards the side. Let's go back down to the bottom, add a curve, step up, and draw that again. And then just underneath the tag, we're going to draw two more lines coming down the zipper. Let's layer the hind legs in behind. We'll start from this point, step up, bend this out and up on both sides, and curl this up and then down towards the side of the leg. Let's separate the outside toe with one curve. Now from the side, we're just going to bend the leg going out and then in on top of the hind feet. And then on the left side, we're just going to curl around the tail, going out and then up, and then bring that around the bottom. And then finally, we're just going to tuck the backpack in behind the body. So we'll start on the left with a short line going out, line that up on the right, and we'll bring that straight down in behind the hind legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Skye from Paw Patrol. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.